Here we have the equation the square root of x plus the square root of y equal to 8. And we want to find the derivative of x with respect to y, or y prime, using what's called implicit differentiation. So the square root of x is the same as x to the 1/2, and then plus y to the 1/2, and then equal to 8. So this is derivative, we're taking derivative with respect to x. And so we have three terms here. This term has no y, it only has x only. And this term has a y, and this term is constant. And so if we're doing derivative with respect to x, then this term here, we just do the regular, the usual derivative. And then the constant, we also do the regular or the usual derivative. So the usual derivative here is just be 1/2, and then x to the 1/2 minus 1. So put the exponent in front of the x, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. And then plus, and then let's do the other one. The usual derivative for the constant a is 0. And here, the variable here is y, but we're doing derivative with respect to x. And so we have to use the chain rule. And so it's going to be 1/2 y. So put the exponent in front of the y, and then 1/2 minus 1. And then the chain rule says that we have to do the regular derivative and then do the derivative of the y here. And then times dy dx. Because we're doing derivative with respect to x, and the variable here is y. So that's why we have to do the usual derivative and then times dy dx. And so right here we get 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, and then plus 1/2, and then y to the negative 1/2, and then times dy dx. And dy dx is what we're looking for, and so we need to solve. Since we have 1/2 everywhere, so multiply everything by 2. So multiply each term by 2. So multiply here by 2, then we get x to the negative 1/2. And then multiply this term by 2, then we get y to the negative 1/2. And then times dy dx. And then multiply this term by 2, we get 0. And now we subtract x to the negative 1/2 from both sides. So this will be 0, and then we get this. And then divide both sides by y to the negative 1/2. And so dy dx is equal to this. And then we can leave it like that, or if we want to make the exponent positive, then we can move the y to the negative 1/2 to the top, and then move the x to the negative 1/2 to the bottom.